As a driver, you might think that changing engine oil every 10,000 miles or 15,000 miles is enough to keep your car running smoothly. But what if I told you that this could be the very thing that ruining your car? In this video, I will explain why this could lead to a costly repairs or even force you to sell a car. And of course, how to avoid it. Watch this video till the end to make sure you are not making this critical error. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting too long until changing your car engine oil. Sure, we all know about the official guidelines from car manufacturers, which says that you should change your engine oil every 10,000 miles or 15,000 miles. But the reality shows that you can do this maybe once or twice after buying a brand new car from car dealership. Recent story. Not long time ago, me and my friend went to a live car auction. If you have never been to one, it's a huge area filled with cars, like big car parking, where they auction off from 70 up to 100 vehicles per one evening. And the mix of cars vary from Ford Fiestas, Fiat 500, Mini Coopers, of course you can see the Audi, Mercedes and so on. The years of the cars in range from 2010 up to 2018 basically. When auction begins, the cars driven in one by one. And next everything happens like in movies, at least it was for me. So there is an auctioneer with a gavel who takes the bids, and the highest bid wins the car. Pretty simple, I would say. It's a fascinating event, especially if you have never been to one before. So what I've noticed there for several times. I give you a particular example what was this time. It was Jaguar XF 2019 year with 70k miles on its odometer. From outside it looked very good, well cared, no dents, no scratches. And when we got inside to look the interior, it also was good maintained, clean, tidy, and I would say pretty new condition. But guess what happened next? When we started the engine, we heard this sound. It sounded like a tractor. There were very noise metallic sound from under the hood. And it was clear that this engine needs major repair. Owner was forced to sell this car only because he didn't know how to solve this problem, how to fix it, and why this happened. It is the main question. But what he definitely knew, that this repair is very expensive, and also you should find a trusted mechanic, trusted service to do it. So this time this Jaguar was sold off for 40–50% of its market value. Just imagine that. And this was the result of it. And also I want to add that not every person wants to buy such cars, because you should know, as I said, good service, trusted service, and this is not only the reason. The price is the reason, the price for repair of it. And I have seen in my experience such cases several times, which cars like Mazda CX-5, Range Rover Sport, Evoque, when during engine repairs and when engine were opened up, the engine oil had turned black, and the consistency of it was like, you know, kids playing called slime. Yeah, it's funny, but not for the owners of the car. And what is the takeaway here, you would ask me? Repairs like that starts from price like £500 up to £400. It depends on car. So just think about it, guys. Now imagine the situation. You drive a car with a 50k miles on it, and you changed an oil at 40k miles on it. So it's been 10,000 miles since your last change. And you know that there is a time to change the oil now. But some of you guys think, oh, I will drive a little bit more, like 2 or 3k miles. It won't hurt. Others might think, I will save money and wait a little bit more. But engine oils break down faster than you might think, especially if you're driving in tough conditions like stop-and-go traffic or short trips. The sludge and debris start to build up, clogging your engine, pistons, and reducing efficiency. Meanwhile, you keep driving, not noticing anything wrong because the car still runs fine. Then other things in life come up, and instead of an oil change at 10,000 miles, you reach 15,000 miles. And this pattern repeats 1 or maybe 2 times, and you reach 70 or 90k miles on your odometer, and change your oil twice instead of 4 times. And after one morning, bam, you start the engine and there is a knocking sound from under the hood, and this is the result, guys. What is the solution to the problem? To prevent this, here is a simple piece of advice. Change your oil every 6,000 miles or roughly 10,000 kilometers, and if you didn't hit such mileage during the year, change oil 1 time per year. For diesel engines, it would be wise to change it even sooner, and stick to these numbers and you will significantly extend the life of your car's heart, the engine. Subscribe for more tips. Bye!